Hi everyone, this is your Neera Aunty and welcome to Story Bite. Today I am here with a short story for you all, and the story is about 5 friends. And these 5 friends are the 5 fingers of our hand. One day these 5 fingers, they were fighting among themselves saying, I am the best. The other one said, oh no, I am the best. The third one said, oh my God, I am the best. So they were fighting among themselves and they had their own reasons for that. So let us see what are their reasons. The first finger said, I am the best because I can teach, I can preach, and I can point out. The second one said, oh, I am the best because I am the tallest one. Look at me, I am the tallest. The third finger said, oh dear, I am the best because I wear precious rings. Look at my ring. The fourth one said, oh no, I am the best because whenever you join hands to pray, I always come first. I meet the God first. And they were fighting among themselves. At this, the thumb, the fifth finger, the fifth friend, started laughing. Oh, my dear friends, do not fight. Can you eat without me? They said, oh, no. Can you write without me? They said, no. They thought for a second and then said, oh, you are right, Thumb. You are the best. At this, the Thumb said, oh, no. Alone, we cannot do anything. But together, if we come together, we can do wonders. We can do anything. So dear friends, this is true not only with fingers, but with us also. So always be united as unity is the strength. So that's the story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. So keep watching Story Bite and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Till then, I will meet you soon. Till then, bye-bye.